Hello everybody. I use Google Translate a lot in my lessons and in my classes. So let me show you how easy it is to use Google Translate. I'm sure you'll be able to find this in your phone. If you cannot, all you need to do is go to the Google Play Store or to the App Store and download Google Translate. Let me show you this on my laptop so that it will be easier for you to understand. The URL for Google Translate is translate.google.com. Translate.google.com. And as soon as I press enter, Google Translate comes onto my screen, and you can see that I can give in images, I can give documents, I can even give websites. Now let me just show you how I use this. So let's say I want to try a word. The word that I'm going to look up is food, F-O-O-D. As soon as I write the word food, the Malayalam equivalent comes up, Bhakshanam. Now let me just look into French, and it is nourriture. If I need to understand how to pronounce the word, all I need to do is press the speaker button.
Nourriture.
Nourriture. Nourriture. Now these are certain recommendations that I have put. You have close to 133 languages. Translations in different languages, right from Abkhaz to Zulu. So there are so many languages that you can do. So this is one way that I can use Google Translate. Another feature of Google Translate is that images and words from the images can also be translated. Let me show you how. So I'm going to images, and in images I'm going to browse my files, and in my files I have a particular image which is a card done in English. So Google actually takes that particular card. It is now translating the words from English, and it is translating it into Malayalam. Let us see how the result is. So this is the image, and it's written Happy Easter, Renewal, Hope and Community, and automatically Easter Ashamsagal, and its translation is also given. Now let me just see whether this can be translated into another language. Let's say I'm going to use French. So the same detection has been done. It is English. Now I am trying to convert it into French. So see, it's all already done. So it's so quick that you can translate it into different languages. I'm just going to try one more language which possibly many of us may not be able to understand, but just for you, just to show how simple it is. So this particular language I'm going to try is Japanese. Some of you would definitely know Japanese, and I hope that the translation is correct. Google tries to make the translations as perfect as possible using artificial intelligence. Google Translate is a free, fast and highly accessible tool. It supports over 133 languages, which means that it is indispensable nowadays for travel, for basic understanding. So just imagine, you can use Google Translate nowadays. If you have it in your phone, when you are on a journey and you don't understand the particular language, you can use this. In fact, when we went to Azerbaijan, I could not communicate with the taxi driver. And so what I did was I used Google Translate. I typed the words in English. I translated it into Azerbaijani, and he understood. Automatically, him would also type in Azerbaijani, and I would understand in English. Thus, the Google Translate is cost free. It is free of charge for any users, and it eliminates the expense of a professional translator. It has unmatched speed because Google Translate can produce translations in seconds. Presently covered 133 plus languages. And because of this broad coverage, global communication is now easily possible. The functionality of Google Translate is that it includes voice, conversation mode, real-time camera translation nowadays, website translation, which is helpful for international travel and web browsing. Let me show you the web site also. So I'm taking a website, and again I'm using my own website so that it will be easy for us to understand. So skillsforlife.in, press enter, and automatically skillsforlife.com comes in. And now I want to translate this because it is in French. Automatically the buttons have been converted into French. So it is so easy to do. See the screens, the titles, except for the videos, which are of course in English, everything else has been translated into French. So it's so easy. Now, naturally, with AI, it is becoming easier and easier to operate. Deep learning and neural machine translation, with all these things, the tool continues to improve in accuracy, particularly in popular languages. Of course, all these things said and done, it is very efficient for rapid general translation. Google Translate lacks the ability to interpret context or nuance or cultural subtleties. Thus, it is possibly less reliable presently for legal, medical, or even highly creative content compared to human beings. So, use Google Translate as best as possible. Bye. Please do subscribe for more like this.